Hey guys, it's Hannah. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am wearing a top, just to let you know. But for this week's video, I have something a little different. I haven't really posted anything like this before. And it is a what and I eat in a day to lose weight. I have been going on my fitness journey since February, and right now it's April, so about 3 months, and this is what I've found to work for me. No way, not in any way am I telling you to follow what I eat. I just enjoy watching these videos, and I get some inspiration out of watching them myself. So no, I am not telling you to eat this. This isn't going to help you lose weight. It's just what I do myself to lose weight. So let's get right into the video. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and I'm about to head into the kitchen to start making breakfast. Now, whenever I first wake up, I like to eat breakfast right away just because I don't like to wait and then I get more and more hungry and overeat. So let's head to the kitchen. So for breakfast, what I'm going to be making are these rice cakes. I'm just going to lather them with some of Justin's almond butter, and I'm going to be topping it off with half of a banana. So I'm just going to be taking 2 of the lightly salted low sodium rice cakes and lathering them with the Justin's almond butter, which is my favorite. And I'm just going to cut up half of the banana and put them all on top of the rice cakes. Also, with my rice cakes, one thing I can't live without is drinking a cup of coffee in the morning. And my go-to mug right now is this yellow one that I actually painted for my 20th birthday at this pottery class. But I'm using Starbucks' dark roast because I work at Starbucks and it's my absolute favorite. Now, I'm not going to be adding any sugar to my coffee because I'm trying to stay away from it, but what I am going to add is this cashew milk that is unsweetened vanilla flavor, and I've been non-dairy for a while, so I won't be using regular milk. But this is just what I'm going to eat for breakfast. Hey guys, so right now it's 12 o'clock and it's been exactly 2 hours since I ate breakfast, and I like to wait 2 hours after I eat, like any time of the day before I go work out, just because if you don't wait 2 hours and you work out like right after you eat, then you're not burning fat, you're burning the food that you just ate, which really isn't helping you if you're trying to lose weight. Now, this is just what I prefer and what I've heard and what I've learned over time. So I like to wait at least 2 hours before I do my workout. And I do 40-minute workouts, 40 to an hour-minute workouts every single day. So once I come back from my workout, I'm going to get ready for the day and go to the mall. So I'll see you guys when I come back. Back from my run. Just did a mile. And I'm worn out. Time to drink some water. Hey guys, so I just got finished getting ready and doing my makeup. I use a Sweet Peach palette today, and I'm really loving this look. Yes, I'm wearing clothes, I'm not naked, but I just wanted to check in with you guys because I'm about to go to the mall and do some shopping. I want to go to Victoria's Secret because they have these really cute leggings that I've seen online that I want to get. But it's about 2 o'clock and I'm not feeling hungry. I limit myself to only eating whenever I'm hungry, because if you snack when you're not hungry, that's where weight gets put on. So I only eat when I'm hungry, and I try to limit myself to 3 meals a day. So we're probably going to eat lunch whenever I come back around like 3 or 4. So I just wanted to check in with you guys and show you my makeup and show you guys what I'm wearing for today. So this is my OOTD. I know if you guys saw my last video, This was in my spring outfit ideas, and I'm obsessed with this outfit. My top is from Brandy Melville. It's kind of like this jersey tube top. I'm obsessed, and I want to get more in different colors. And then I have the matching sweatpants, which are from Brandy Melville too. I'm obsessed with these, and I'm probably going to wear my pink Adidas and then grab my bag and head out the door. Okay guys, so I just got back from the mall and I'm super hungry. I'm starving. I just did a little shopping while I was there and I went to Victoria's Secret. So if you guys want to know what's in this bag, comment down below and I'll do a haul. But I'm about to go eat and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to make. Okay, so we're in the kitchen right now and I've been deciding what to eat for lunch, because I'm starving, and the only thing that's really quick and fast are these fish burgers. They're super good. They're from Costco, but they're Alaskan pollock burgers, and they taste really good. So I'm just gonna fry this up and eat it with some avocados, some fruits, and like some jalapenos on top. I'm not gonna use bread because that's way too many carbs. So I'm gonna start cooking this. So I just put some oil in the pan right now and I'm letting it heat up on medium heat. Since it's a fish burger, I'm gonna turn the vent on just because we don't wanna smell up the whole kitchen. But this is what it looks like. It's just a burger, a fish burger patty. Gonna place that on there and put the lid over it and set a timer for 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so while my fish burger is cooking, I'm gonna heat up in a small saucepan just some corn, and I like to use frozen vegetables because in my opinion it's the freshest. So we're just gonna use the rest of this bag because there's not a lot left. And you're just gonna add some water to it. Just gonna add a little bit of water. And then put that over high heat. And let that sit. On the side, I'm just gonna eat some jalapenos. And then I'm gonna cut up this avocado and put it on top of the fish burger. Okay, so I just cut up the avocado and I set out like a spoonful of the jalapenos, and the corn and the fish burger is almost ready. There's like 30 seconds left for the fish burger, and then I'm gonna eat, and I'll show you guys the fruit that I'm gonna have on the side because I always gotta eat some fruit. So for fruit, I'm just going to be eating 1 small mango and 1 small apple just to fill me until dinner time. So the fish burger is cooked. I have my corn, my avocado, my jalapenos, and a glass of water, and then I'm going to eat the fruit that I showed you guys. But this is everything I'm having for lunch, and I'm just going to eat until I'm full, and I'll see you guys when I come back for dinner. Hey guys, so I am finished eating lunch now, and I was trying to decide on what to make for dinner. And what I want to make is shrimp avocado salad, and I want to like grill the shrimp before I like put it in the salad. So I wanted to kind of like grill the shrimp in a lime and cilantro sauce, and I didn't have all of the ingredients. So I ran to my local grocery store, which is Kroger, and I thought I would do a haul for you guys just to kind of show you some of the groceries that I bought in case any of you are wondering. So first I got limes, of course, because that's the main reason why I went to the grocery store. Then I got 2 large grapefruits, you know what I'm saying? Then I picked up some oranges as well because there's this orange chicken dish that I love making. Then I just picked up a cantaloupe, and then I just picked up some organic bananas because we always need bananas. Moving along, I picked up some granola This is the Bare Naked brand. This is my favorite granola brand ever. It's not super expensive and it's actually really healthy. They have different flavors too. I got the flavor banana nut and it says honey, banana chips, almonds, and walnuts, and this is literally my favorite. Then, as you saw earlier for breakfast, I was using these low sodium rice cakes, so I just picked up another stack of these because I love eating these for breakfast. Next, I just got these frozen vegetables, and I got butternut squash. And then lastly, for the food items, I just picked up some almond milk. I've been trying to drink and eat less dairy products. And then I just picked up some girly things, like I picked up the Garnier Fructis micellar water. My favorite, sorry if I'm like moving the camera angle around, this is hurting my arm. But my favorite makeup wipes are actually Clean and Clear, the night relaxing ones. But I've been needing to get some like makeup remover like in the water form, just because whenever I don't use a full face of makeup or like completely have like blush everywhere, I like to use like small amounts. And I feel like if I don't use the full face makeup wipe, it just goes to waste. So I picked this up just to use with cotton balls, and I want to try it out because I hear that this is really good and a lot of people rave about it. And then I just picked up some eye drops, the seasonal relief, just because it's springtime and my eyes itch really bad. And then I just picked up some girly tampons because I'm a girl. So yeah, that's everything I bought at the grocery store, and the next time I tune in with you guys, I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower and I've been hanging out for a few hours. Right now it's 8 o'clock. I'm gonna take my hair out of the towel and I'm gonna head to the kitchen and start cooking. Okay, so for dinner I'm making the shrimp avocado salad, and I'm just taking these frozen shrimps and letting them thaw in some hot water. And I'm going to season it with lime, Tony Satchery seasoning, and crushed red pepper, all for flavor. Okay, so for the salad portion, I'm going to be using cilantro, Roma tomatoes, onions, avocados, and some baby grape tomatoes, as well as lettuce. So once my shrimp have been marinating in the sauce I made for a while, I'm going to add it to a saucepan with oil. And I'm going to let the shrimp cook until they turn pink, and then for now I'm going to prepare the salad. So I just finished chopping up the lettuce and cilantro, and I'm going to add it to this really big bowl just so there's enough room for everything. And I'm going to add the onion, tomatoes, and avocado, and I'm also going to add lemon juice to the salad for flavor. So once I have everything added to the bowl, I'm just going to combine everything and toss the salad. So once the shrimp are done cooking for about 5 minutes, they're ready to go in the salad. And lastly, before I add my shrimp, I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper to the salad for flavor. And lastly, of course, I'm just going to add the shrimp to the salad. So I made myself a pretty large bowl, and I'm just going to be having it with a slice of watermelon and a glass of water. And for salad dressing, I'm just using balsamic vinegar because it doesn't have too many calories and it has a lot of flavor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please comment down below, tell me what looked the yummiest to you, or what you would eat, or what you eat for breakfast, what you ate for breakfast today, what your favorite thing to make for breakfast is. Just let me know down below in the comments, because I love making new recipes, I love baking, all that jazz. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for next week because we're going to have an April favorites video. I've been obsessed with these videos, and if you guys want to know what some of my favorite things are right now, please like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.